Hey, what's up mga kapositive? Let me show you a brief glimpse of how we earn our chips for a living. Tara, samahan nyo kami. So this is the main engine scavenging airspace. Nililinis at inaalis namin ang mga accumulated residues. Punas dito, punas doon, kayod dito, kayod doon. Most probably ginagawa namin to every port. In preparation na rin for piston ring and liner inspection. Tara, tanongin natin si Sir Box kung anong balita.
Tapos pa naman? Tapos pa naman?
Kailangan all the piston rings are movable in all cylinders. Then kuhanan na rin natin ng measurements ang ring group and ring gap for clearances. Then check the edges of the piston rings kung round or matapalas na ba. Kasi besides running hours, this is also the basis kung kailangan ng i-overhaul ng piston ring. Then check the piston ring up and down movement, of course. So ayun, hanggang dito na lang muna mga kapositive. Lagi niyong tatandaan, health is wealth. Until next time, let's go!
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Until next time mga kapositive, let's go!